Volcano watch. What is a volcano? There is a mountain in the state of Washington. It is called Mount St. Helens. Something happened there about 30 years ago. It started when a cloud puffed out of the mountain. What was going on? The cloud was filled with ash, the leftover dust from a fire. Then rocks fell off the mountain. They rolled down the side and crashed below. Near Mount St. Helens, people got scared. Some people got hurt by the ash and the rocks. Some people even died. But most people stayed safe. Why did this happen? Mount St. Helens is a volcano. A volcano is a mountain where things from under the ground erupt. That means they explode upward. Ash. Volcano opening. Mountain. There is a lot of pressure under the ground. You can make a pressure with your own hands. Here are the steps. Step 1. First, press your hands together lightly. Step 2. Second, press your hands together firmly. That's what the pressure feels like. Next, imagine that somebody puts a beach ball between your hands and pulls out the stopper. Step 4. Last, imagine that you press harder with your hands. What do you think will happen to the air inside the beach ball? The pressure inside the earth is very strong. Sometimes it pushes things out of the ground. Volcanoes are where that happens. There are rocks deep inside the earth. They come out of volcanoes. Ash and steam also come out. Sometimes fire does too. Other things come out of volcanoes. Ice comes out of volcanoes in some cold places. Mud comes out of volcanoes in some warm places.